phenomenon. I kind of wanted to know, well, okay, well, you can illustrate three-dimensional forms, not two-dimensional surface, but you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with the laws. What makes these things pop up and it looks three-dimensional? Right. This is I got into art to kind of understand the phenomena, and that's why for illustrating, let's say, a commercialization, a CD modified, and if you put a very
when you double a chord, or let's say primarily an A chord consists of 440 hertz. Why when you double 440 hertz, you get an octave? So you hear the same note at a much higher frequency, but it's the same note. So it's an A, but a higher frequency. No, we call it pitch. It's frequency. From a physics perspective, it's called frequency. How we interpret sound, we call it pitch. Now, why?
Knowing a lot about all these subjects and being able to explain them and talk.
Being able to solve problems. Okay. I have a gift to solve problems.
But then when you're not doing that,
then you have like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. We probably don't have
rhythmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So